If you want to set up vocal shortcuts on iPhone 17, you just have to open Settings. We're gonna scroll down a little bit over here in order to open Accessibility, and once you are in Accessibility settings, we're gonna scroll down again in order to find Vocal Shortcuts settings. Over here we can press Set up Vocal Shortcuts. We're gonna press Continue, and over here we need to choose action. So let's say I'm gonna choose Flashlight. And then we can add the speakable phrase that is unique to this action to run it. So I'm just gonna type light, for example. Light. 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 So as you can see, we have to say our phrase out loud 3 times in order to make sure that the phone can recognize later on what we are trying to say. So we can press continue, and there we go. So now you can say the light out loud in order to use this vocal shortcut. If you want to, you can keep adding new actions over here by tapping on Add Action button, or you can go to Edit in order to remove actions that you don't want to use anymore. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.